In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart content in HubSpot emails. If you're looking to tailor your email marketing campaigns to different segments of your audience more effectively, understanding how to utilize smart content in HubSpot can make a big difference. We'll go through a few steps to get you set up and running smoothly. To begin, you're going to want to navigate to the trial guide in your HubSpot account. For those who aren't familiar, you can find this by logging into your HubSpot account and heading over to the appropriate section. This guide serves as a great starting point, especially if you're trialing the Sales Hub Professional features. Don't worry if you're new to HubSpot. This guide is set up to walk you through the necessary features at a comfortable pace. Next, once you're in the right place, locate and click on Marketing in your dashboard. The Marketing tab is often where you'll find most of the tools you'll need for creating and managing content, including emails. With HubSpot's powerful marketing tools, you can create highly engaging content that resonates with different audience segments effectively. Now, the third step is to click on Email. This might seem obvious, but it's important to ensure you're accessing the correct email functionalities for your campaign needs. HubSpot's email section is robust and tailored to support various email marketing endeavors, ranging from newsletters to automated responses. Once you've clicked on Email, you should see an option to Edit. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up your email editor where you can make changes to existing templates or craft new ones. Editing your emails to include smart content will allow you to present different content to different recipients based on criteria you've specified, ensuring that each recipient gets the most relevant message. Now, the final step is to click on Automate. Adding automation to your email campaign is where the magic of smart content really shines. This option allows you to set rules and triggers for your emails, making sure that the right content gets to the right person exactly when they need it. With automation, you can streamline your campaigns, making them not only more personal, but also more efficient. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively incorporate smart content into your HubSpot emails, enhancing your marketing efforts and connecting with your audience in a more meaningful way. Remember, the key to successful email marketing lies in personalization and relevance. Smart content is a great tool that helps achieve just that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful HubSpot guides.